I so move.
ATM.
I move on behalf of ATM that in the next sitting, the House debates the continued non-recognition of the Kingdom of Amahlobi by the Democratic Government of South Africa. King Langalbalele I was the first political prisoner sentenced to Robben Island for resisting the brutal and illegitimate colonial authority. Amahlobi were among the earliest to experience violent dispossessions, suppression of sovereignty under colonial and apartheid rule. Failure to restore Amahlobi Kingdom is not only an injustice to Amahlobi, but a broader indictment on South Africa's commitment to fully restoring all kingships that were destroyed by the colonial conquest. True reconciliation and transformation require equal recognition of all traditional leaders and communities whose sovereignty and identity were suppressed under the colonial and apartheid regime. I so move.
The ANC.